Struggling with push-ups? Your arms shake, your chest burns, and after a few reps, you collapse. It's not because you're weak, it's because your body's power system is still asleep. Today, in just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to wake it up instantly. Step 1. Wall push holds, 30 sec. Push against a wall with full force for 10 seconds, then relax. Do it 3 times. This wakes your chest and triceps. Step 2. Isometric floor tension, 40 sec. Go into push-up position and hold. Tighten your abs, squeeze your fists, feel that power flow through your chest. Step 3. Explosive half push-ups, 40 sec. Go halfway down and push up fast, short range, high power. This trains your nervous system to explode with strength. Now try a full push-up again. Feels lighter, right? Stronger? That's your hidden strength unlocked. Use this 3-minute activation before every workout and watch your push-ups transform like magic. Subscribe for more short routines that unlock your body's power.